Hey there, Matt Scratch here with a real quick tip for you Dodge Neon owners, the second generation 2000 to 2005. They've all got this plastic trim piece here on the back door, and some of you may be wondering how to get it off. It actually has 3 studs in the back that clip into plastic grommets. And so a tool like that works really good, or screwdriver, anything you can get under here, and just give it a gentle pry with. And as you're prying out, you can kind of see by how the plastic's flexing where the stud is. So there's a stud there, there's one here, and there's one here. So get as close to where the stud is as you can, and just gently pry, and just work it up evenly. You can see they look like they should have nuts on them, but they just slide into those plastic grommets there. Here, I'll clip it back on and just show you. Literally just push in to push it back on. So if you're removing that for paint or whatever, that is how you get it off. Real simple. So I do hope you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot for watching Matt Scratch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.